Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to restore Windows Photo Viewer in Windows 10 using Registry Editor. Microsoft has replaced the classic Photo Viewer app in Windows 10 with Photos, that is a modern, future-rich image viewer. However, if you like the simplicity of Photo Viewer, you can bring it back on Windows 10 PC using Registry Editor. For that, you need to download this one zip file. That link I will provide in this video description. After that, select this one zip file, then right click on it, and here select this one extract all option. Then click on this one extract option. Now to enable classic photo viewer, you need to right click on this one, enable classic photo viewer file, and then choose here merge option. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. Again click on this one yes button. Click on the OK button. Now for any image such as I have and JPG image, just right click on it and here choose hover mouse over open with, and then click on this one choose another app option. Here you will see this one Windows Photo Viewer. Select this one and then check this one option. Always use this app to open .jpg file, then click on this one OK button. Now whenever you will double click on this any JPEG image, it will automatically open in Windows Photo Viewer. Similarly, for other extensions such as PNG, you need to right click and select here open with option. After that, click on this one choose another app. Now choose this one Windows Photo Viewer and check this one option. Always use this app to open .png file, then click on this one OK button. Like this, you need to enable Windows Photo Viewer. You need to make default app as Windows Photo Viewer for another extensions also. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.